Hi, this is Henry with WP Fusion. Today, I'll be showing you how to set up WP Fusion to integrate with GoHighLevel. To begin, navigate to the WP Fusion settings under the Settings tab in your WordPress admin dashboard, and from the Select CRM dropdown, select High Level, and click Authorize with High Level. Next, you should be brought to this screen where you will enter your login information for the WP Fusion website. So I have mine automatically saved here and select Login. And now you will need to log in to your GoHighLevel account. So select the Login button and enter your GoHighLevel email address and password, and select Sign In. Once you have signed in to your high-level accounts, you should see this screen, and from here, select one of your sub-accounts in which you would like to integrate with WP Fusion and your WordPress site. I'm going to select myself. WP Fusion will automatically sync all of your GoHighLevel data with your site, and once you see this congratulations message, press Save Changes. Now you should be good to go. If you go to your contact fields under WP Fusion settings, you should see you have high-level fields available as well as all of your custom fields. If you have any questions, leave a comment below for myself or others to answer. To view a full list of our features that are available with the GoHighLevel integration, there is a link to our documentation in the description below.